if I want trying to 112 degrees and 30 minutes on the calculator, look at this bottom, it's common. So you're right, you know the rule, it's 112 degrees, 30 minutes over theta radian equals what? 180 over pi. Do cross multiplying. So theta radian is going to be 112 degrees, 30 minutes times pi over 180 equals. You will find the angle is written degrees minutes. No, 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 don't do like that. It will be decimals only. Do it in the calculator and tell me the theta radian quickly.
5 over 8 pi.
It will be what?
5 over 8 pi.
And don't, again, it's 5 over 8 pi radian. Don't click comma. In theta radian, we don't have degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay? What if I have an angle of measure, let's say, 11 pi over 15. I want to get x degrees. So in this case, we will write x degrees over 11 pi over 15 equals 180 over pi. And then you will do cross multiplying. It will be x degrees equals 180 times 11 over 15 pi, all divided by pi. Cancel them out. In this case, Yusuf, you will click comma. Do it on the calculator and let me know the answer.
Okay. Uh, 180 times 11 over 15, 132.
132 only degrees?
ادوس كوما يعني؟
Yes.
132 degrees و0 0.
So it's 132 degrees only. What if I have negative 1.67 radian? Do it on the calculator. The rule is x degrees, which I want to find, over negative 1.67 theta radian equals 180 over pi. So to get x degrees, you will multiply negative 1.67 times 180 over pi. Okay? It will be what? And in this case, click comma to get the angle in degrees, minutes, and seconds. It will be what?
95 degree.
Minus?
No, 95.
Minus 95? Minus 95?
Yes.
Yusuf, click on the calculator, negative 1.67 times 180 over pi equals what?
ثانية يا مستر.
Quickly.
Negative 95.
Negative 95 what? Click comma.
Negative 95 degree 41 minute و2.23 second.
Okay. If I want to find this angle with the positive measure, so you will add 360. It will be what? Add 360.
واعمل كليك كوما يا مستر.
Yes.
هتبقى 264 degree.
264 degrees. Yes.
18 minute.
What minutes?
18.
18 minutes and
57.77 seconds.
57 seconds. Did you get it, all of you?
Okay.
You know that this angle again, it's 180. This angle is 0 and this angle is 180. You know that this angle is 90. The angle up here is 90. And the angle written here, it's 270, and this angle is 360. Do you with me?
Yes.
You know that 180, we can write it as pi in radian. You know 90 in radian equals pi over 2. And 270, if we want to write it, write 270 in radian measure. It will be what? Do it now. 270. I want to write it in radian measure. Write 270 in radian measure. It will be what? Quickly. Which is 270 over theta radian equals 180 over pi. Do it in terms of pi. It will be what? Do cross multiplying. Mariam.
3 over 2 pi.
So it will be 3 over 2 pi. That's right. And 360. You know 360 will be 2 pi. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. This is the angle in degrees, and at the moment the angle in radian. The angle in degrees and radian. Take a screenshot quickly. Let's move to the next question, which is page 69. Question 5. Determine the degree measure. Determine the degree measure and the radian measure. So I want to find the degree and the radian measure. For the central angle that subtends an arc of length L in a circle of radius R. So number 1, L is 12 and R is 10 centimeters. And they want to find x degrees and theta radian. So how can we find x degrees and theta radian? I want to find both of them. So Mariam, which one we can start with? X degrees or theta radian?
Theta radian.
Theta radian, great. Theta radian equals what? L?
L over 4.
Great. So L is what?
12 over 10 equal
12
1 point
over 10, great. It's 1.2 radian.
Right.
Yusuf, I want to write 1.2 radian in x degrees.
Okay.
So it will be what? 12 be x degrees over 1.2 equals 180 over pi.
1.2 times 180
Over pi.
over pi.
So it will be what? Click comma. Don't forget it. Click comma.
68 degree,
Yes.
45 minute,
Yes.
17.77 second.
Seconds. Great. Now we will try this one. If I have theta is 9 pi over 8, and L, this is radian, and L is 22.5 centimeters. And I want to find out. Do it now. Do it now. So once again, what is theta radian? Theta radian is L over R. I want to get R, so R is L over theta radian. So it's a 22.5 divided by 9 pi over 8 equals what? Click CD just to get centimeters. Don't don't click comma. It's our radius length. It's the length of the radius by centimeter. It will be what?
6.36.
6.36. Mariam, did you get it?
Yes.
Now try this one. I want to find R, and I have theta. Theta is 139. and L is 24.325 centimeters. I want to get up. Try it now. I have theta radian, it's 139. I have L, the length of the arc is 24.325 centimeters, and I want to get the radius. So all of us that know that radius equals L, but divided by theta radian. However, I have the theta, but this theta in degrees, not in radian. So I want to convert from theta radian to degrees. So 139 over theta radian equals 108 over pi. So do cross multiplying, you will end up with theta radian equals 139 pi over 180. Now to find the R, it's L over theta radian. So write it on the calculator, and the calculator will do it. It will be R equals 10.02. Take a screenshot. And try this one. I want to find the length of the arc. I want to find the length of the arc. So I want to find L. If the radius 7.5 centimeters and theta equals 67 degrees and 40 minutes. So I want to get L. Give it a try.
We will convert the theta radian equal 67 degree 40 minutes by
40
over
minutes.
180.
Great. By over 180. So theta radian equals what?
I didn't.
You can leave it, by the way. You can leave it. It's a theta radian. This is the theta radian. So L equals what? Theta radian times R.
Times R.
So L equals, write it, 40 pi over 180 times R. What is R? 7.5.
5.
Then multiply it by the calculator. L equals what?
8.85.
8.85 centimeters. Great. Now let's look at question 15. It's a circle. This is a circle. And the area of the right angle triangle. This is the area of the right angle triangle. The area is 32. The area of this triangle is 32. Triangle AMB. Area of triangle AMB equal 32 centimeters squared. Find the perimeter of the shaded area. Find the perimeter of the shaded area. I want to find the perimeter of the shaded area. I want to find this length of the radius and the radius again. And I want to find L. This is the L. So how can we get them? How can we get them? So I want to find the perimeter of the shaded shape. I want to find the radius and the radius. And I want to find the length of this arc. Do it now. Try it. I'll give you 2 minutes or 3 minutes to finish it. Welcome back if you had a go. And let's analyze it. The area is given as 32, the area of the triangle. And the area is half times base times height. And we have two radius. This is the radius and this is the radius. So we can say half times R equal 32. So half R squared equal 32. Then times 2 both sides. Then R squared equals 64. Then R equals 8. The length of the radius is 8 centimeters. So R equals 8. This is 8. I have this length. This length is 8. The length of the radius, and the length of the other radius is 8. I wanna find L, the length of the arc. So how can we find L? To find L, if you remember, L equals
Theta
what?
times
Theta radian, it's theta radian times R. This is the L. So this angle is 90. How can we get theta radian? Yes, 90. If I want to find theta radian, it's 90 times pi over 180.
180.
So theta radian equals pi over 2. This is theta radian. Once again, theta radian equals pi over 2. And the radius is 8. So I have theta radian and I have radius. So L equals what? Equals theta radian times R. So theta radian equals
Half pi.
theta radian, we'll write it here. Theta, L equals theta radian is pi over 2, okay, times R is 8. So L equals 4 pi. Now we can find the perimeter. You know the perimeter, it will be the perimeter of the shaded shape. The perimeter, it will be 8 plus 8 plus 4 pi. 8 plus 8 is 16, so you write perimeter equals 16 plus 4 pi. You can click SD to find the perimeter in centimeters, in decimals.
$28.5.
28.5 centimeters. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, see you the next